Hello, hi, I'm Shivam and I'm a BC graduate. I'm 20. This is my introduction. I've been freelancer for 2 years and have a programming background with Python, full stack, JavaScript, and here to demonstrate a Python tutorial in front of you guys without even downloading Python. First of all, you don't need any programming background. You don't have to download Python itself. You don't have to download any IDE. You don't have to download any notepads, special notepads, or anything. Just go on your favorite browser, write collab, hit enter, and it will open this Google Collab. So you have to write Google Collab. Okay, so what it will show is this. Okay, this is my drive. Sorry, I should back it up and we'll enter it again. Google Collab. Okay, so it will show you this. Click on the first link. This will be the screen must be popping up. Python tutorial is the Jupyter notebook file that I have already been working on just for this tutorial only. I'll be starting it all over again. Don't worry, I'll show you each and everything that I have done in here. This was just another YouTube video I was doing for. Wait. So it is connected right now. We are good to go and start. So first of all, let me show you that how to add comments in Python. Okay, comments in Python. By the way, I have hit it hold shift and press enter to execute and enter the next line or cell. To add text, click on here. To add code, add in here. To make it neat and tidy, delete it from here. And then to add the comment, press the pound sign, and whatever here, this will be a comment. Whatever you will be doing in there, Python won't do anything to it. Okay, so first of all, let's write a hello world program. Hello. So hello world program, how will you write? Print is a function in Python. Parenthesis is showing that this is a function. Whenever Python's interpreter sees the print statement, it will be like whatever in the parenthesis under the single quotes or the double. I have to print it as it is. Hello world. Shift enter. Hello world. Okay, so please just big round of applause for you guys. You have written your first Python program. Now the second thing, when you will be using single quotes, print if I wait if I use single quotes instead of double, it will show me the same. Okay, syntax error is I am so sorry, mistyped. Okay, so under these single quotes I have written this hello world, and it is working exactly the same like double quotes because Python accepts both single quotes and double. But what if you have to have, or if you want to write a single quote between your string? If you click shift plus enter, it will show an error, invalid syntax. So to avoid this thing, we use double quotes, and we usually write our code in double quote, and boom, it's printing the single quotes itself. For the time being, let's remove this. Okay, now our second topic is variables. Variables variables then now what variables really are? Variables are the simple like x is a variable, x y z is also a variable, but x comma y comma z are the three variables. Let's go ahead with the one variables for start. Okay, now if I say x equals 5 and hit shift enter, Python will take x and put the value 5 in x, and will be like, Python will be like, interpreter will be like, okay, this is the x and it holds the value of 5. Now we'll take another variable and assign a value of 5, okay, 6 to it. Now Python is having two variables, one is x and one is y. X is having the value of 5 and y is having the value of 6. If you want to overwrite the value of x and y again, let me show that what x and y really are. If I write x and shift enter, it must show me 5. If I write y and shift enter, it must show me 6. And if I write again that if you want to assign both of the values at the same time, like x and y equals to 8 and 9, it will override the 5 and 6 and assign 8 value to x and 9 value to y. If we hit shift enter, it doesn't show any error message because it is the right syntax. And if I hit x and shift enter, it must show me 8. And if I hit y and shift enter, it will show me 9, because these are the new values that are assigned to it. If I use any arithmetic operators to these things, like x plus y, shift enter, 8 plus 9 17, and x dot y, it means x raised to the power y. If I hold shift and press enter, it will calculate and give me the results. And whatever the arithmetic operator you're going to use, Python will accept it and will show you the results. Okay, now the second thing, what if I am the user and I want to make a calculator that do only addition? Only addition, yes, only addition. We are going to start a program. We are going to write our first Python program here. Okay, let's get started. Input is a function. Function go with a parenthesis. Parenthesis always have some parameter. Under these parameter, if you want to take input, you will write input function, and in the input function we'll write enter the first number. And if the user will enter the first number, we have to store it somewhere, right? Let's say we want to store it in x. We'll write x equals the input, and then we'll write y equals input, enter the second number, and then I want to print the result is as follows, and print. This is I'm using it for the next line. Once I'm done with this, I'll let you know that how to start the next line. Okay. Fine. X plus y. So let's make it more descriptive and add some messages here also. Print, just to make it fun. Enter two numbers to add them, and then let's say hit enter. Okay, enter the two numbers to add them up. Enter the first number 12. Okay, wait, I have to enter it here, 12. Enter the second number 13, and the result is 1213. That is not right. Yes, that's exactly what the Python does. It will treat anything in the print statement as a string. So if 12 is a string, Python don't know that this is Python will assume that whatever you will enter, you are going to enter in the print statement, it is a string. So how you'll convert it into integer. So this clears our one more topic, that how you will convert a string into a integer. Trust me, this is seriously a important topic. Conversion of st- string to int. So we'll let's talk to Python. Hi Python, this is X, and please, whenever user inputs something into X, please convert it into int. And int, this is the this is your syntax that will satisfy you. Y is also an integer type thing, and whenever user will put y, please make sure that you convert it into integer whenever you work with it. So, and you're seeing here that this is the this is this don't have any space in between, and this is not showing, not looking good. So being professional, try to be professional and add this backslash n to these lines, and whenever the Python will see backslash n, it will change the cursor into the next line just like this. So it will make us enter the value in the next line. Hold shift, press enter, and boom, again. Let's try it again. The result is 25. So yes, whenever you okay, one more thing, whenever you are working with variables here, do not I request you guys, please, in bold text, do not use arithmetic operators arithmetic operators in the start of the variable. Do not use any digit in the start of variable. It will show an error. Do not do not use any special character either. I mean special character either. Pound will make it a comment. So these are something that you won't be using before variables. Make sure that you declare them properly, otherwise it'll show an error. So that's all for right now, guys, and thank you so much that you're okay. So this is the software, OBS Software Studio, is online broadcasting studio, the name of the software. This is a pretty amazing software, and I use it for recording videos, and this is free, and this is super easy to use. If you are starting your YouTube, even you are in the middle of a YouTube channel, don't waste any money buying softwares out there. Use this, and this is pretty amazing. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe if the video is informative, and share it with anyone who wants to learn Python. And please make sure to follow up the video courses that I am providing here, because really I know that how it feels when you want to learn something, and on Coursera or Udemy you have to pay something for it. So all the best and happy learning, guys.